So let's talk about why you might hire a social seller. The goal of a social seller is to find your ideal customer avatar, engage with them and nurture the relationship, and get a call booked. It's a more intimate and warm process to reaching those dreamy clients who you can serve rather than the cold outreach approach. You might consider hiring a social seller if you're promoting your services across social media and finding you don't have enough time to look for leads, to follow up, and also to manage the conversations effectively. As the business owner, your sole focus should be on the business development of your brand and also the company. Our pre-vetted and trained social sellers will help to find potential leads and follow up with them. They'll build relationships with them through engagements on their posts, starting conversations, and finally booking a call to get that calendar filled. Social selling VAs can be hired for part-time 20 hours or full-time 40 hours per week. The expected appointments booked for a part-timer is 5 to 15 per week and double for a full-timer, and an hourly rate to $8 to $10 per hour. If this sounds good to you, like it could be a fit, and you're curious to know more, then I'll encourage you to click the link below, get in touch with my team, and we'll be happy to talk you through the process and how it all looks.